Here I have REALME Narzo 20A, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So first of all, you will have to select language. Let's select English, then tap next. Then you have to select your region. Select your region, tap next. Then you have to agree with terms of service, tap next. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around you, you can just skip this step for now and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Then you can enable this Wi-Fi assistant feature, but you can skip this step and enable this feature later in settings. Then you have Google services. If you want them, you can just leave them. If you don't want them, you can disable them right now, but in any case, you will have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set up your lock screen password, but you can also skip this step and do this later in settings. Then you can enable this auto update overnight feature, or you can do this later in settings. Then you can import data from your previous device, but you can also skip this step and just set up your device as new. And that's it. Now your device is ready to be used. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.